Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, guys, I will share. Okay, now I will teach all of you how to create milligraph paper, on CorelDRAW. Now I will set first to folio. We call here F4. Yeah, we know have width 21 centimeter width and 33 centimeter height. Okay, now I will try to create with graph paper tool. I will set half column 50 and row 30. Yeah, okay, let's try. Just drag like here. Yeah, here 50 column and 30 row. Too easy to calculate. Next, I set here 150 millimeters and height 300 millimeter. Yeah, the square is 1 centimeter width and 1 centimeter height. Yeah, but now I will set to color, yeah, maybe 10% blacks and with hairline. Okay, that's it. After that, I place on center. We can push P button on your keyboard. P. Okay, let's finish. Now I will block this graph. Look like this. Right click and lock object. Yeah, we cannot move the graph paper. Okay, now I will try to find where is the center of the line. Yeah, here I use guideline. Click here on ruler, left click, hold, drag and place here. Okay, here. Okay, now I will create freehand line. Use freehand tool like this. Yeah, okay. Maybe I set to 0.176 like this. Yeah, and color is black. Okay, I set half width like this and place here. Okay, place here. Okay, and have a row like this. Okay, now I will delete first. Okay, that's the result. Now I want to copy this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and set the angle maybe 90 angle. Yeah, and then I will set maybe like this. Yeah, like this. and then okay, the result. Okay, now I will make a group and then lock the object. Yeah, this graph is locked, the line is locked too. Yeah, but now we know 0 point on CorelDRAW, the position is here. I will to change here. Yeah, the 0 point is 0.0 here. It's x axis and y it's our ordinate. Yeah, it's a simple take from here. Yeah, ruler horizontal and ruler vertical, left click, hold, and move the position to here. Then now the position of 0.0 is here. Yeah, you can see this 0, you can see is this 0. Okay, let's try to start. Yeah, so start, and we know 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, and we set, but this which use scale. Yeah, use scale. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, yeah, 1 is here, it's clear. 2 centimeter, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, we can use the position of object. Okay, for example, okay, I create a node, have 1 millimeter width, 1 millimeter height. Okay, we'll change. Okay, it's a node. No, okay, it's a node. If I want to place on, okay, for example, I give position X. Okay, maybe 6 centimeters and Y 3 centimeters. Enter. Okay, you can see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the position now is okay. Let's try. Maybe I call A. Yeah, A with use position 6, 3. Like this. Yeah. Okay, I will change to okay, before. Okay, like this. That's it. Okay, now I will copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Like this. Yeah. Okay. Maybe here not clear. Yeah, maybe okay, 2. Okay, it's clear. Yeah, okay, it's clear. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Maybe I call B 2 and 6. Yeah, okay, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, now we'll try to change. Okay, maybe here, check. Okay, the X is 4 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Yeah, A is 4, 2. Okay, finish. But now I will try to line. Example, use freehand. That's 1. That's maybe 2. Okay, maybe you can check this. Okay, it's clear. I will check. Okay, not as clear. The clear is position like this. Okay, that's clear. You can see it. Okay, but now I will change the color, maybe blue, maybe. Okay, set. But if we want to expand, we can use scale of factor. Maybe 300. Okay, 400, I think. Okay, that's it. It's finished. Now we finish create the paper graph by Corel Draw and draw the node on this graph. Okay, see you on next lesson. I will teach all of you maybe example for how to use paper graph to finish your problem. Okay, thank you for watching. Once again, thank you. See you soon, Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.